Hi guys, I'm Raunak. Seth Rollins was recently named number 1 in the PWI Top 500 of 2023, while Roman Reigns was placed second. But is Seth Rollins really better than Roman Reigns? These two former Steel partners have been under the spotlight for over 10 years, dominating the industry most of the time. With outstanding title reigns, amazing matches and memorable moments. Over the years, it has been become clear that Seth Rollins is better than Roman Reigns in some aspect of pro wrestling. So in this video, I'll mention top 5 things that Seth Rollins is better than Roman Reigns. So let's get started without wasting any time. Seth Rollins was always the best in-ring performer of the Shield, and he eventually became one of the best in-ring performer of his generation. Seth Rollins has had many great matches throughout his career, but the most amazing thing is his consistency, as he delivers every time he enters the ring. Roman Reigns, on the other hand, has good in-ring skills as well, but his arsenal of moves is smaller than Seth Rollins, and although he has had several amazing matches in his current championship run, he is still a notch below Seth Rollins. If we count until 2023, Seth Rollins has had 5 televised World Heavyweight title defenses so far. Roman Reigns, on the other hand, has defended the undisputed Universal title only once since Seth Rollins became world champion. Not to mention that Seth Rollins has been on WWE television week in and week out, and Roman Reigns appears sporadically. So Seth Rollins is a true fighting champion who steps up and represents Monday Night Raw, while Roman Reigns' absence has caused his reign to cool, WWE fans lost interest, and other stars need to carry SmackDown while he is missing. That happened. Roman Reigns never fit in 100% as a babyface. He certainly had a lot of fans, but he also had a lot of haters who said he was overrated and overpushed. Seth Rollins' current babyface run has been short. Still, I'm talking about 2023. But it wouldn't be unreasonable to say that he is already a better babyface than Roman ever was, because Seth Rollins is incredibly over and is having a breakdown. Roman Reigns' finisher is a spear, and it is very good finisher, devastating and effective. In addition, he occasionally uses a submission move. It's a couple of good finishers, of course, but not as good as Seth Rollins' finisher, the Storm. The finisher looks convincing and devastating and is much less common than a spear, not to mention very effective. In addition, Seth Rollins occasionally uses pedigree, which is a great finisher as well. Seth Rollins started his professional wrestling career in 2004. Since then, he has had so many matches and he is still performing. Seth Rollins rests only if he is forced to. He stops wrestling only due to injury. Otherwise, he is always in the ring. He is always on the TV, even with his well-known back issues. The guy loves his work and his commitment to the industry is undeniable. So guys, these are the things I wanted to share with you. All of the records belong to 2020. So guys, what do you think? Is Seth Rollins better than Roman Reigns? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, then leave a like, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. Check out other videos. I'll be back with an interesting new video, and share this video with your friends, families and relatives. See ya. Thank you.